Flowers have evolved to attract pollinators such as birds, bees, and other insects. The various phenotypes displayed play an important part in the natural environment, as this is a main characteristic which attracts pollinators to the flowers.
As you saw in the introductory clip, flowers come in so many different colors and can also be multicolored. However, if we look closely, there are usually certain colors that are common: white, pink, and red. However, since bees are the main pollinators and they seem to prefer these certain colors, why would other colors exist? I'll be looking at flower color variation in pelargoniums to answer this question.
Pelargoniums, often mistakenly referred to as geraniums, belong to the family of Geranaceae and will be the focus of this study. Originating from South Africa, these are drought-resistant plants that are widely used as decorations based on their ornamental features. Pelargonium flowers occur in various colors. The color variations in this species are attributed to the types and relative levels of pigments present. Flower colors in the pelargonium species range from cream and pink through to deep purple, including salmon, orange, and red. The pink phenotype results from generally low levels of anthocyanins. Aside from being highly aesthetic and a common occurrence in many gardens, nature reserves, and parks, this large variation in phenotype within a species may also have an evolutionary purpose behind it. Species interactions such as mutualism between the flowers and the bees may have an evolutionary concept associated with it. The flowers are a food source for these pollinators, who in turn are able to disperse the pollen of flowers, enabling the flower's distribution, fertilization, and abundance. Initially, the diverse phenotypic variation of pelargoniums was attributed to being hybridized. However, the maintenance of this diversity may be attributed to this species interaction. This may be the result of cross-pollination, resulting in the variety of colors of geranium flowers we see today.
And it is due to this reason why I decided to conduct this study. These flowers are evident in such a large range of colors, so how is it that such a diverse phenotypic variation is maintained and so abundant today?
The aim of this study consists of determining whether pollinators prefer a specific phenotype of the pelargonium flowers. For the purpose of this study, only 3 different phenotypic colors will be of focus: light pink, pink, and red. I propose that the bees will prefer a specific phenotype of the pelargonium flowers, in particular the red pelargoniums. This is due to the fact that red is an abundant color in many flowers, and in particular, red geraniums are highly abundant. This leads to the formulation of the following hypothesis. The alternate hypothesis is pollinators or bees prefer a specific phenotype of the pelargonium flowers. The null hypothesis is pollinators or bees do not prefer a specific phenotype of the pelargonium flowers. Currently, an observational study is being carried out in the local area on the 3 different colored pelargonium flowers: light pink, pink, and red. The methodology consists of 3 branches containing 5 flowers of each of the 3 colors of interest planted in 3 pots. Each of the 3 pelargonium pot plants have been prepared with garden soil mixed with 7 grams of fertilizer. They are given 300 milliliters of water every second day. All 3 of the pot plants are placed together in an open location away from other colored flowering plants. This ensures validity and reduces the confounding variables during this study, such as the bees being attracted to other colored plants. For each of the 3 pot plants, the number of bees visiting each of them will be observed and recorded. Observations are being conducted for an hour commencing at 8 a.m. each day for the duration of 10 days. This is to ensure reliability. An analysis of variance, or an ANOVA test, will be the test statistic used to compare the pollinator frequency means for each of the 3 flowers in the study. This will be computed using RStudio. This study could lead to implications for the future, such as extending research into more species of flowering plants. This could also lead to further studies on using this knowledge for increasing pollinators visiting urbanized areas to maintain plant species and pollination in such areas. This may consist of altering the phenotype of flowers in a manner that pollinators such as bees find attractive to maximize pollination in these areas.